Hey everyone, you are doing well. In this quick video, I will show you how to transfer Bitcoin or cryptocurrency from your Venmo to your PayPal. So first thing you need to do is just open up your PayPal and then log in your account. Then you have to go to this finance option. Simply click on that. After you do that, this will show your available balance that you have in your account. And under the buy option, you will see Bitcoin option. So simply click on that. You can also, if you can't find this option, you can go to this crypto option, crypto tab from the top. Now once you click on it, will show you this screen where you can see your Bitcoin in your account. And after this, you have to click on this transfer option, two arrow option. Click on that. Then this will show you three options that you can use. So you have to click on this receive BTC option, this second one, and then this will give your Bitcoin address. So from here you can click on this copy button to copy your PayPal Bitcoin address. Now to transfer Bitcoins from Venmo to PayPal, you have to open your Venmo app and then go to your cryptocurrency tab. So to do that, simply click on this crypto option at the bottom. Now this will show you this interface. So from here select the cryptocurrency that you want to transfer. In our case it is Bitcoin, so we are going to select that. Now this will show you this interface. So if you don't have any Bitcoin in your Venmo account, this will show you the only buy option. So first you have to buy the Bitcoin in your account to send it to another wallet or the PayPal. So first you have to buy, and then you will see this option, transfer option, these two arrow options. So simply click on that. Then this will show you this window. So from here you have to paste the Bitcoin address that you have copied from the PayPal earlier. So just paste the crypto address in this top bar, or you can also scan a crypto. You can also scan Bitcoin address by clicking on this button. So I'm just going to paste the Bitcoin address. Once you do that, this will show you this screen. So from here you can enter the amount that you want to transfer from your Venmo to your PayPal, and then click on this send Bitcoin button. And once you do that, your crypto or the Bitcoin from your Venmo will be transferred to your PayPal account. So if this video was helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.